back to the BrosAuto channel. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching all these videos. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And so you don't miss any future videos, hit that notification bell so as soon as it pops up, y'all can go ahead and check out that video. All right, anyways, moving on to this 2017 Chevy Z06 Corvette build. So on this car, I actually have some unforeseen damage, unfortunately. So I will let y'all take a look at what I'm trying to explain. All right, as you can see, the floorboard is missing in this vehicle. And what I think happened here was maybe a forklift or something messed up the floorboard area here. But let's move around here. I'll let you take a look at it really quick. Here it is. It's not too bad. I mean, it was probably salvageable, but I went ahead and bought a brand new piece right there. Next step is to go ahead and get that thing installed. Now, on this fiberglass work, the next step I have left to do is go ahead and sand it down and put some body filler over it. Alright guys, so it was a long night last night. I got everything bondoed and sanded down. But my next step right now, I already got started on removing some of the body panels because I'm about to take them to the shop and get them primered. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with taking off the panels again. I'm just going to take them off and I'll see you at the body shop. on this Corvette. So I finally got the floor pan all put back together inside the car, and I got the exhaust installed as well. Next step is I gotta remove some of these jack stands out from underneath the car. Body panels are about to go back on the car right now, so I can go ahead and adjust the quarter panel along with the door. So let's go ahead and get back to work. Alrighty guys, check this out. So I got all these body panels mounted up on the car and everything aligns so nice. I mean, these gaps are amazing. I'm surprised everything came together really good. I didn't have to really finagle much of any of those body parts, but it's looking so nice. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Okay, so one more piece of the puzzle, which is that T-top, is laying right there. I have not put that on because I want to take this thing for a drive right quick, and that's the last piece that I'm waiting for, and it's due to come in anytime next week. Alrighty guys, let's take it for a drive. Alright, let's do a quick pull. And that's a wrap on this video of the 2017 Chevy Corvette Z06. Go ahead and be sure to stay tuned for the next one. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and until next time, peace. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap on this video on the 2017 Chevy Corvette Z06. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video on the 2017 Chevy Corvette Z06. Почекай, доця. Okay.